Welcome to iScope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Punjab was mostly a two-corner contest till AAP came into the picture in the last assembly elections held in 2017. However, close on the heels of the year-long farmers' agitation, Punjab is now starring in a multi-corner contest with the 22 farmer unions which were once part of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha jumping into the poll fray. Last week they announced a combined political outfit, the Sanyukt Samaj Morcha. In addition to this, farmers leader Gurnam Singh Chaduni has announced his political outfit Samyukta Sangharsh Party, saying that the party will fight the upcoming Punjab Assembly elections. While the political parties have been in a race to woo farmers to the mainstream, political parties are wary of the new entrants as the state, which has 117 assembly seats, which goes to the polls early next year. Besides the SSM, AAP, Congress, SAD, BSP, BJP, along with Captain Amrinder's party, the PLC and SAD are in the fray this poll season. Smaller parties and independents will also fight to woo the voters. The past year has been exhausting for the farmers, but the victorious march back home after the repeal of the 3 farm laws was worth it, many said. But they feel the fight for them is not over yet. Overwhelming support came in for the farmers from the agrarian state. The worry for the other parties is that the new entrants may cause some real damage. A farmer in Churim village said, "We will support the new party Sanyukt Samaj Morcha as no one else thinks about farmers." Gagandeep, a young farmer wearing a branded red jacket and sporting a crew cut, said, "This party will be our voice. Our fight is not over. Look at the fuel price hike and the toll tax. MSP remains our main issue, and I believe there will be overwhelming support for this party as the majority in Punjab stay in rural areas." Punjab Deputy Chief Minister O.P. Soni from Congress said, "This is a democracy. Everyone is welcome to join politics. Our party has stood with farmers and we will continue to do so." The state BJP unit meanwhile is preparing for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rally slated for January 5th. Farmers' votes will be decisive in the Punjab elections and every political party knows this. This is why they are racing to woo farmers. While the Akalis are emphasizing that they have severed their ties with BJP just for the farmers, Congress has announced a memorial for the farmers who died during the agitation. The BJP and the AAP too are aggressively campaigning to reach out to the farmers. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for iScope Media.